Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm an event coordinator. I give Eventbrite 5 out of 5 stars. For more reviews, see below. Before Eventbrite, we used planning center registrations, but it didn't have exactly what we needed, and so we changed to Eventbrite. We chose Eventbrite for a lot of reasons. One main reason was the waitlist option. So when the registration is full, you can waitlist people. Also, the tickets are so easy to get. People can get them on their phone or print them, and it's a versatile option so people can have their tickets. So Eventbrite was really easy to onboard. And for our first event, it was easy to get all the people on there that we needed to get in terms of being able to take tickets. The app is fantastic where you can just scan tickets. So our first event went seamless using Eventbrite. Anybody considering Eventbrite can look at the different options. There's different levels. If it's a paid event, there's a certain charge, but it's probably worth it for the ease of use. So I would look at the features versus the price, and I think it'll be worth it.